Hey guys, and welcome back to the Bearded Chef. On day 7, we have 7 swans a-swimming, so I thought we'd do some sugar cookies. Follow me over to cutting board, and we can get started. To start off, we'll place our flour in a large bowl, followed by our baking powder, salt, and give that a whisk to mix. In a new bowl, let's cream our butter and sugar together until you get a nice smooth mixture. Add our vanilla, some almond extract for extra flavor, and our eggs. Mix this again. Add our flour mixture and then mix this again until they're fully combined. Roll this into a ball and cover it in cling film. Place it in the fridge for about an hour. Flour a parchment sheet or your counter and remove the dough from the fridge. Roll this out to be about a 1/4 inch thick. Cut into any shape or use cookie cutters like I did here. After done cutting these out, place these on a baking sheet and into the oven at 350 degrees for 12 minutes. While that's going on, we can make our royal icing. Add some egg whites and some vanilla. Beat this on high until foamy. Then slowly add our powdered sugar scoop by scoop until you get a nice smooth paste like this. Separate into small bowls so we can create different colors with a little bit of food coloring. And then after that, we can decorate these cooled cookies. And enjoy. If you guys enjoy my videos, please do not forget to like and subscribe, or share it with your family and friends. Bearded Chef, out.